guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, it is sponsored by DRESSIN, you guys. They do specialize in different types of clothing. So today we're going to start this video off with the wrinkle free v-neck short sleeve blouse, you guys. I love this so much, and it does come in different colors if you do not like this color. All right, y'all, so moving right along, the next outfit that I will be trying on for you guys is their solid button two-piece set, you guys. This is in the color green, and I must say, y'all, this is so comfortable, okay? And I did get this in an extra large. So yeah, that's if you guys want to know the sizes of each item that I did get. And yeah, so right here I will be showing you guys two items. So right now I'm trying on their round neck flounce short sleeve t-shirt. So these are plus size all over print medium elastic waist pants, you guys. I really love these. Right here is their polka dot high rise elastic waist dress, you guys. So this is their crocketing stand tank top, collar tank top, y'all. This tank top feels so expensive. All right, y'all, so I could not wait to try these dresses out for you guys. So this one is the wrinkle v-neck flounce dress, you guys, and I love this dress so much. It does the body real good, okay, y'all. This is another cute looking baby doll dress as well, and I love baby doll dresses, so definitely have another one in store for you guys. And I just love this color. It's so vibrant, and it says spring, you know, spring and summer, period, y'all. So let me know, like I said, what you guys think about each and every item that I've tried on. So yeah, let's go ahead and move right along to the next dresses, you guys. Alright guys, so the next dress that I will be trying out for you guys is their solid lace-up tie neck baby doll dress, you guys. And I did get this in an extra large as well, y'all. And I love this dress so much. It just flatters the body. Baby doll dresses is going to be forever my favorite. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this dress as well. Alright, y'all, so the next item that I will be trying out for you guys is these medium rise elastic waist palazzo pants, you guys. These are super comfortable. They actually don't have a stretch to it as well, so I would definitely say make sure you get the right size in these. But not least, I am trying on their solid button sweatshirt, you guys, off the shoulder. This is so cute, y'all, and I would definitely be wearing this with some cute leggings, period. That concludes my review for DRESSIN. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some much needed spring cleaning to this kitchen, y'all. We are going to be doing some decluttering of my cabinets and all the things. So if you guys want to continue to watch me clean, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys sharing is caring. I love y'all, and let's go ahead and get into today's video.
You right now, but the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do, you do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. It's safe to argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm a main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. I snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at the woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to...
Got my soul.
are to the point where we're done. Okay, like I have everything on the island. I have some things in my dining room, you guys, on the table back there. Like, it was just so much stuff. So right now we're done. I'm finna go make my kid lunch. Right now it is 2:34, so it's a little late lunch, but that's what we're finna do. And then after that, you guys, I guess I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow once I come back to put everything back. If I decide to do a video on that or not, or maybe I'll just show you guys the transformation once everything is back and it's neat. Because I don't know about you guys, I cannot stand having canned good all over the place, as well as boxes in my cabinet that's empty. So yeah, that's on the agenda for tomorrow. But as of today, you guys, we're tired, so that's what we're going to do. Got me an incense burning, you guys, get that good fragrance going on in my house, as well as my candle. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you guys, please go ahead and leave me a big like. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And let me know if you guys like my new camera quality, my video quality, you guys. I am shooting on a new camera. So yeah, comment below if you guys can tell the difference.